How to set work profile on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you launch the settings, scroll down and tap on accounts and sync. When you tap on accounts and sync, just scroll down to the very end and tap on add account, and usually you can see the option of Google. So just tap on Google, but I've already synced it, so I'm going to go back and tap on the Google option. So as you tap on Google, as you can see, I've already selected an account over here. So just tap on all services and then scroll down until you see the option of set up your work profile under device policy. So just tap on set up your work profile. So when you do that, just tap on next. So in order to set up your work profile, you need to have a code from your IT admin. So just make sure that you have it, and it will take a while. So just make sure you are a little patient and you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device to get this process started. So here you can see you can either scan or enter the code provided by your IT admin. So if you have the scanner or the QR, you can just scan it over here. If not, you can enter the code manually by tapping on enter code manually, and then just enter your code from your IT admin and then tap on next, and that you'll be able to set your work profile on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.